let's talk a little bit more about like where the next phase of the development comes from then. You know, are there future plans on the roadmap for leveraging the technology further?
Yeah, since the basic process is almost completed and decided, I think there is still going to be a huge space for, you know, AI implementation, artificial intelligence implementation and leverage during the process. We started working with OCR, optical character recognition, so the wagon inspector can go in front of the wagon plate, and the system automatically recognizes the wagon number and automatically builds an ordered wagon list. So he has to do nothing at the end of inspection because the system has built the wagon list and has uploaded it into our systems. That's again another huge possibility. We are working on that. We want to improve that, and we want to analyze the potential of OCR also for recognizing rail car parts, wagon parts. For example, when he's able to detect a wheel, he can suggest relevant documentation about the wheel.
Interesting.
So you are on field, you are checking this wagon, the system detects you are watching a wheel, and it suggests support documentation about the wheel, or put a damage list about the wheel, maybe the history of that wheel, the history of the maintenance of that wheel. So there's a huge potential with attaching information using OCR.